I always tell young men or women who come to me for advice, please can you give us one piece of advice? I say, can I throw in one more? Let's make it two. Number one, have good friends. Have good friends. Make sure you have brilliant friends. And more important than that, make sure you are a good friend to those around you. Because it's easy to say, oh, I'm looking for good friends, but you yourself are not even bothered about your own habits. You don't even pray. You're not interested in what goes into your mouth, out of your mouth. Everything is just okay. Subhanallah, if that's the case, my brother, my sister, my beloved child, I am telling you, you need to make sure you are a good friend to those around you, and then make sure that those around you are good friends as well. I've said this in the past. The quick test of knowing whether you are in good company or they are in your good company, or the opposite, whether you're in bad company or good, is as follows. If your good habits are brushing off onto them such that they're eradicating or minimizing the bad they're in and coming towards the good you are in, they are in good company. You follow that? And if any one of their bad habits is influencing you so your goodness is diminishing, that means you are in bad company. Simple as that.